Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Important conversion reaction in organic chemistry. Let me teach 4 easy conversion reaction in 1 minute. We know that oxidation is a gain of oxygen, while reduction is a gain of hydrogen. Whenever we oxidize any reaction, we add oxidizing agent like potassium dichromate and oxidizing agent. It will oxidize the reactant. Secondly, if we reduce any reactant, we add reducing agent. We add reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride. It will reduce reactant. Let me ask you, convert alcohol into aldehyde and aldehyde to carboxylic acid and carboxylic acid to aldehyde and aldehyde to alcohol. The easy method to oxidize them, consider ethanol CH3CH2OH. I oxidize and it convert to ethanol. Ethanol oxidize and convert into ethanoic acid. Now consider ethanoic acid, it reduce into ethanol. When I reduce ethanol, remember that if we oxidize alcohol, it will convert to aldehyde and it oxidize it. I will convert to carboxylic acid. On the other hand, if I reduce carboxylic acid, it will convert to aldehyde. When aldehyde reduce, it will convert to alcohol. Reaction. Also noted down important conversion reaction. Consider alkyl halide. Consider alkyl halide. When aqueous potassium hydroxide added, it will convert into alcohol. For example, reaction. Now let me teach important conversion reaction for increasing carbon atom. For increasing carbon atom. In such type of conversion reaction, the number of carbon increasing into 1 to 2, 2 to 3. We use two reduction to conversion. One is Wurtz reaction and second one is Corey-House reaction. In Wurtz reaction, single or one carbon atom convert into two carbon atom in the presence of ether and sodium. Corey-House reaction, two carbons converted into three carbons. Remember that we always use copper iodide and lithium and CH3Cl. In other words, in Wurtz reaction we use even carbons, while in Corey-House reaction it to an odd number of carbon atoms. For example, I convert methane into butane. We know that methane is less reactive. Firstly, we added chlorine and UV light to get alkyl halide and it convert into two carbons. I add sodium and ether. I get ethane. Now ethane is also less reactive and is activated. I add chlorine and UV light and I get alkyl halide. Now I add ether and sodium and I get butane. Now I convert methane to propane. In methane to propane, methane in chlorine and UV light, I get methyl chloride. I want double to single carbon and I use Wurtz reaction. And I added ether and sodium and I get ethane to activated ethane. I added Cl and UV light and I get ethyl chloride. Now listen carefully. I have already two carbons and I need only one carbon. Hence I use Corey-House reaction Hence, we use Corey-House reaction. Corey-House reaction. Now the second number of conversion reaction by decreasing carbon atom. And such type of conversion reaction, the number of carbon decreases like 1, 3 to 1 to 1, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. Remember this type of conversion which I will use. I free add to soda lime into carboxylic acid. It will convert to alkane. But alkane have one carbon less than the total carbons in carboxylic acid. Let me convert it propane to ethane. We know that we will use these steps. Firstly, we convert propane to alkyl halide and alkyl halide converted to alcohol, alcohol to aldehyde, aldehyde to carboxylic acid, then to alkane. Now I add chlorine and UV light, I get propyl chloride. Secondly, to convert alkyl halide to alcohol, can you recall the conversion of alkyl halide to alcohol? We add aqueous potassium hydroxide, we get propanol. We already know that we oxidize alcohol to convert aldehyde, then to carboxylic acid. I add oxidizing agent KCr2O7 potassium dichromate and get propanol. And I add oxidizing agent then propanoic acid. Now according to this conversion we add soda lime to carboxylic acid and we get alkane with one carbon less than carboxylic acid. Thus, I also add soda lime and sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. I get alkane, which has only two carbons, hence, this is ethane. Therefore, using these steps, we count down the number of carbons. Now, third number of conversion is bond conversion. In these type of reactions, we convert bond like single to double, double to triple and vice versa. In case of single bond, we can dehydrohalogenation. The word dehydrohalogenation means we remove hydrogen and chlorine atoms. For this, we add potassium alcohol and get a double bond. In case of double bond, we add NH2, we get triple bond. In reverse case, we get triple bond to double bond and double bond to single bond by reducing them. In order to reduce them, we just add nickel and hydrogen. Hence, noted down this important type conversion. Now, consider these conversion. Convert ethane to ethene, ethene to ethyne, ethyne to ethene. Firstly, I write have ethene and I activate it. I add chlorine and UV light. I get ethyl chloride. Now I add alcoholic potassium chloride, potassium hydroxide, and in order to its dehydrohalogenation. I mean I remove hydrogen and chlorine from add I get ethene. In this case, I write here ethene activated in the presence of chlorine and UV light. I get ethyl chloride and I add potassium hydroxide and I get ethine. I write ethine here by adding nickel and hydrogen. I get CH2 double bond CH2. Again I add nickel and hydrogen. I get ethane. Therefore, using these simple conversion, we can easily do single bond, triple bond conversion. Now, I will teach you some important conversions you must learn. Convert alcohol to amine and amine to alcohol. Well, to convert alcohol to amine, we use Lucas reagent like HCl plus zinc chloride. For example, consider this alcohol. I add HCl plus zinc chloride. I get alkyl halide. Now I add to ammonia and I get this amide. Remember that using Lucas reagent we can convert alcohol to alkyl halide and using convert converting NH3 alkyl halide to amine. On the other hand, convert amine to alcohol, we use nitrous acid NH2O to convert amine to alcohol. For example, consider this amine. I add nitrous acid to it. I get alcohol. Just remember that nitrous acid we can convert amine to alcohol. Secondly, convert amide to amine. Amine to amide. Well, this amide will be Hoffman bromide. Let me repeat it. This amide will always remind me Hoffman bromide reactions. We use bromine potassium hydroxide in Hoffman reaction. For example, consider this amide. I add bromine and potassium hydroxide to it. I get this amine. In case of amine to amide, I follow these steps. We can easily convert carboxylic acid to ammonia salt by adding NH3 to it. Let us, when we heat ammonia salt, we get amide. So I will convert amine to alcohol. We have already learned that we add nitrous acid into amine and convert to alcohol. Now I will oxidize alcohol to get aldehyde. Also, I will oxidize aldehyde to carboxylic acid. Now, according to these steps, I add ammonia NH3 to carboxylic acid. I get salt of ammonium and heat this salt of ammonium. I get amide. Thus, we convert bromide to amine. We add Hoffman amide reagent to it. Secondly, we convert amide to alcohol, then to aldehyde to carboxylic acid. We add NH3 to carboxylic acid to get a salt and heat it a salt, we get amide. Note it down all these steps. Lastly, convert nitro to amine and amine to nitro. In case of nitro to amine, we reduce nitro. In order it to amine, we have already learned that lithium aluminium anhydride is a reducing agent. For example, consider this nitro. I add lithium aluminium anhydride it. I get this amine. In case of amine into nitro, remember this step. If we reduce alcohol by adding hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus, we get alkane. We add fuming nitric acid to alkane, directly convert it to nitro. For example, I take this amine, I add nitrous acid HNO2 to it. I get this alcohol. Now, according to these steps, I reduce alcohol by hydrogen iodide plus red phosphorus. I get alkane. I add fuming nitric acid. I get nitro. Thus, remember that if add reducing agent into nitro and we get amine. Secondly, we convert amine to alcohol, alcohol to alkane and alkane to nitro. Now, you must note it down all these important reactions on chart. Try to react, try to recall and practice all these reactions by a week. By revising, you master in all these reactions. Thanks for watching Epic Words.